Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to redeem gift card on Binance. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, simply tap open the website of your Binance, and once you open it, you will end up in this kind of interface. So in the search bar, all you gotta do is simply tap on it and type in the thing called gift card. So once you type in the initials gift card, you can find the gift card options on the functions or like the features. So simply tap on that particular gift card icon, and once you do this, you will end up in this kind of interface. So now in the redemption code section, type in the 16-digit redemption code, and once you do this, hit the redeem button. Now simply confirm that through which way you want to redeem your gift card. So once you have selected it, hit the redeem button once again for confirmation. After you tap on it, you will be able to redeem your gift card on Binance. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.